Just around June 2017, one of the interesting and largest NFT projects emerged, CryptoPunks. CryptoPunks were created by two Canadian software developers, Matt Hall and John Watkinson, with over 10,000 unique collectible characters stored on the Ethereum blockchain with proof of ownership. In 2018, there were more than 100 projects on NFTs. Huge NFT marketplaces like OpenSea and SuperRare were launched intermittently. March 21, 2019, Block 8, first large-scale airdrop on Ether, airdropped 6,150 NFTs to OG OpenSea user wallets on Ethereum. In August 2019, Render Gallery, the first street art NFT gallery, opened in the metaverse. On the 28th of August 2021, CryptoPunks crossed the $1 billion mark in all-time sales. It became the second NFT project after Axie Infinity to achieve this milestone. We can proudly say CryptoPunks laid the foundation for the NFT boom. In 2021, Jack Dorsey, co-founder and CEO of Twitter, sold an NFT of his first tweet, "Just setting up my Twitter," via a platform called Valuables. The winning bidder was Sinai Starby, who had held the high bid since offering $2.5 million on March 6th. Meanwhile, in February, Grimes artist, partner of Elon Musk, sold some $6 million worth of NFT digital art. Fast forward to 2022, the whole blockchain and crypto space have continued to evolve. It's still the starting phase and we have a lot to watch out for. Think NFTs.
Earnathon, redefining learning.